It's day 9, and we are here in this streak of 9 days in a row. And this is a very big, good video streak that we are on. And today we are going to discuss about entry points and exit points of getting into a stock. When getting into a stock, we need to analyze when to enter and when to exit. Firstly, we have to understand fundamentals of a stock. After we have analyzed the fundamentals, we get to know which stock to buy, which stock to get ourselves into, and with technical analysis we can understand when to enter and when to exit. That's very important, extremely crucial. So today we are going to jump right in, and let's go to the charts and see what happens in the session. It's going to be an exciting session. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. Yeah, here we are. So the first stock I'm going to discuss about is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has been performing really well over the last few years, over the past 2 decades especially. And you can see, if we go back in the month of August of 2016, it was trading around 1200 rupees. This was a good opportunity to buy in the month of August of 2016. It was trading around 1200. It was trading in the month of August of 2016. It was good entry point. And then we had to hold it for almost 4 years. In the month of March of 2020, we had to exit from this stock around at the price of 4000 rupees. So it was more than 3.5 times the return we got from this stock in 4 years, almost 4 years. And so this is how we enter and exit a stock. And firstly, we had to analyze fundamentals of the Bajaj Finance stock, and then we had to enter here and exit here. Enter in the month of August of 2016 at the rate of 1200 rupees and exit at 4000 rupees in the month of March of 2020. So almost 4 years it was trade. So this is how we enter and exit a stock. The next stock I'm going to talk about is CDSL. CDSL again is a very good stock fundamentally if we look at it. And we had to enter this stock at the rate of in February of 2021. First of all, we had to enter this stock and at the rate of 650 rupees. 650 was the entry price, and we had to exit at almost 1250. So it was almost a double the price. We got the profits. We had doubled the stock and we got the profit twice. So it was a good trade, and it was in the duration of February of 2021 to July of 2022. So it was almost 1.5 years of worth of trade, and it was doubled. So it was a good opportunity, and so many people have made money out of this trade. So the next trade I'm going to talk about is the next stock is Tata Communications. Again, a good stock fundamentally, and we had to buy it in the month of June of 2020. In the month of June, it was good opportunity to buy, as we would have analyzed the fundamentals and got to a point where we accepted that it is a good stock fundamentally, Tata Communications. And then in the month of June, we got into this stock at the rate of 650 rupees and exited at the rate of 1000 rupees, and in the month of March of 2022. So from June of 2020 to March of 2022, so almost 2 years. Almost 2 years this trade, and we went from 650 rupees to almost 1200 rupees. So approximately 1200 rupees. So it was again a doubled the money in just 2 years. Again, a very good trade. 2 years we had doubled the money, so it is a very good trade. So this is how we should enter a stock. After analyzing the fundamental analysis of the stock, we have to first see the fundamentals of the stock, how it is doing fundamentally, what's the health of the company fundamentally, and then we have to come to charts and see what the price is talking about, and then we have to enter and exit accordingly. So these were the three stocks which I mentioned in this analysis today. and hope you liked it. And the entry points and exit points are extremely vital for getting into a profitable trading system and being profitable, making money in short. So it is very important, and we had to keep learning every day and practice every day and always look for learning new things. And market teaches us every day new things, that is for sure. If you are trading in the stock market for the first time, you would definitely come across this emotional ride which you go into trading and investment. So the money goes up and down every day. So it's not like real estate where we are just holding it for long term, and the fluctuations in price is not that much. But in the stock market, we are seeing the price going volatility, index going high and low. So that's how we differentiate different commercial aspects of real estate and maybe stock market. So stock market is much more volatile. So that is an auction driven market. So that is why we can make money. So when the stocks go down, we can buy it. When it goes up, we can sell it. So this is how we enter and exit a stock. So that was it for today, and hope you liked this video. I hope this was informative and you might have got a little bit of value. If you got some, then please comment, subscribe, like, and do share. Thank you very much.